Hey everyone, today we're looking at a clean way to process collections of data in Python using a StarMap from the itertools module. Let's get straight into the code. The list comprehension approach. Imagine you have a list of tuples containing the width and height of different rectangles, and you want to calculate the area for each. And print the output like this. Okay, run. As you can see, this works great. We can even shorten it by using the asterisk operator to unpack the tuples automatically. Let's print and let's run. Okay, the StarMap alternative. But Python has a built-in tool designed extractly for this pattern. It's called StarMap. Here is how it works. Let's print and output like this. Okay, as you can see, a StarMap automatically unpacks each tuple and passes the item as argument into our calculate area function. Why use a StarMap instead of a list comprehension? 1. Memory efficiency. A StarMap evaluates items lazily one by one, which is perfect for large datasets. Number 2. Cleaner code. It removes the need for extra loop variable, making your code look much more professional. If you found this quick tip helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more Python videos. See you in the next one.